Morning, everybody. It's bearindependent.com. I'm out here rucking, and I had a thought about y'all. Individualism versus collectivism. Yeah, we rugged Americans were not fans of collectivism. Myself either, unless it's voluntary, which is a very nuanced conversation. Now's not the time for that because I got to make time because I got to get back into this ruck and I got to call the client coming up soon. So we got to be quick on this. But here's the deal. Special little snowflakes. We are all special little snowflakes. We want to be individuals. You don't understand my situation, blah, 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 blah. I got news for everybody within the sound of my voice, myself included. We're not that special. We all need the same basic things. We all need to do the same basic things. We cover our bases. We do the basic things. We're good to go. I mean, whether it's in life, don't accrue debt, right? Be a happy person. Don't be a slave to the man, right? Like, be fulfilled, be fulfilling, serve your creator, like basic things, right? Preparedness, food, water, shelter, fire, cutting tool, weapons, platforms, rucking, right? Things like, it's all the same. Where the nuance comes in is like maybe the last 5%. Maybe the last 5%. Everybody should have a rifle and know how to use it. Okay. That's 95% of the equation. The last 5 to 10% is I have this rifle and I'm left-handed, so I shoot it this way and I like a red dot rather than a variable power optic. Okay, cool. But that doesn't make you a snowflake. Okay, it doesn't make you a special individual. The challenge here is that we get the micro-macro dichotomy figured out here between us as individuals and us as a collective, and I use that word very carefully because I'm not into collectivism, but meaning that the same broad brushstrokes apply to all of us. We all need water. We're all gonna need food. We're all gonna need, security and commo and medical and a place to lay our heads and fuel sources and so forth and so on. We all need these same basic things. And these are universal needs. And I think we do ourselves a disservice when we get all snowflakey on each other. But you don't understand my situation. Bro, you don't understand mine either. Right? So you got to practice the problem. What's the problem? The problem is some bad guy might come out of the woods right now and try and stick a knife in my throat. Okay, let's practice that. Right? My solution is probably going to vary a little bit from your solution, but they're both going to be really similar. Okay? So I guess what I'm trying to say, this thought that's rattling around in my brain as I get back to this ruck here momentarily, is we have to be careful to not paint ourselves into a corner of special snowflakeism. You don't understand in my situation, but no, I get it, man. We got followers on this channel that are in wheelchairs, getting after it, preparing, right? We've got followers on this channel that have fewer limbs than they started with, getting after it, getting it done. We have people here that are teenagers, and we have people here that are well into their 70s and 80s, all getting after it, getting done. The Special Snowflake Syndrome? Yeah. Triple S, Special Snowflake Syndrome. Nice. Doesn't apply, and we need to be careful not to let it apply. Because while there is an element of rugged individualism, naturally, because we're all individualists, we're all an army of one. It's the same, we're all trying to solve the same problems. And we should be careful to not diminish our own strength, our positions of strength, by being overly concerned with just how special and unique our situation is. It's not. Neither is mine. Do the things. You get caught up in the details in the last 5 to 10%. Do the things. Don't let your special situation keep you from doing the things. Yeah, that's all I got. hit the subscribe button, ring the bell if you want to. And yeah, come see us on Patreon. Zero censorship there. Shalom.